Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix sync up problem on your WeChat app. We'll go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your WeChat app. All you have to do, you just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here, and you just go down here, then you click here on apps, and it's going to take you to apps window, and you just go down here to looking for WeChat app. You just go down here to looking for we shut up, we click here on we shut up, then it's going to take us to next window here, and you just click here on for stop, then you click here on OK, and you go down, then you click here on storage, and it's going to take us to storage window. Just click here on clear cache, and you click here on clear data, and all you have to do, you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all. I wish now you are get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.